Hello dear students, today our topic is low-tech solutions. This lesson is presented by Ergasheva. Activities of our lessons are reading, working with the vocabulary, listening tasks, grammar exercises, speaking, writing, and advantages or disadvantages essay. So let's begin with warming up. In general, do you like or dislike new technology or gadgets like e-books, tablets, and phones? Can you think of ways in which technology has made our lives better or worse? Are there any problems which technology has helped to solve? Give examples. So here we have reading activity. Why is it that people seem to think that the newest technology is always the best? From high-speed trains to high-speed internet, you could be forgiven for thinking that faster is always better, not to mention more efficient and more economical. We decided to investigate and use simpler, more low-tech solutions to the world's program. And here you have the information about the slow theater, for example. Read about it, please. Here you have the chapter about the roundabout water pump. Please read this chapter too. And here we have the information about the bus stop libraries in Bogota. After reading, please answer the questions. How is the Rural Academy Slow Theatre different from other theatre companies? Why might people living in rural areas appreciate this type of theatre? How does a play pump help children to solve the problem of access to water? Second activity is discussion. What do you think of the solution suggested? Which idea do you like best? Can you think of some other solutions to these problems? How has the pump changed the lives of the young girls in particular? How has the invention of the e-book changed how people read? Where have they put the new libraries in Bogota? Here we have grammar exercise. It is for comparatives and superlatives. Complete the statements with the pronouns in brackets. For example, the invention of the bicycle made it a lot easy. What can we say? Made it much easier for people to travel from one village to another to meet new people. Please fulfill this task. Next activity is for vocabulary and especially for technology. So you can do it individually. Put the words, phrases in the box into the correct word verb. Here we have some maybe new terms, new words, and in order to pronounce it correctly, we can have listening practice, and you can listen and check your pronunciation. So let's begin listening right now.
Solutions. Recording 1. 1,
Electricity,
2,
nuclear power,
3,
antibiotics,
4,
vaccinations,
5,
computer networks,
6,
motorbikes,
7,
genetic engineering,
8,
washing machine,
9,
vacuum cleaner,
10,
space travel,
11,
commercial aeroplanes,
12,
solar power,
13,
communications satellites.
Unit 4. Recording 2.
Well, I've always loved sport and swimming. As a kid, I used
Let's continue. Our next activity is writing. So here we have an advantages and disadvantages essay. You should learn how to write it. Here we have one example of it. Read the model essay and does it mention any of your ideas? Here we have 4 chapters. Please read it. Here we have the continuation. Pay attention to the key words. For example, another disadvantage, in my opinion, the problem is that, and etc. And after reading, please match the paragraphs 1-4 with their description, AD. For example, C introduction is of course the first chapter. Next activity is working with vocabulary. Complete the guidelines for writing an essay with the expressions in the box. For example, person opinions, examples, notes, beginning, logical order. Please fill in the blanks. And here you have your homework, it's writing. Choose one of the topics below and write an essay about the advantages and disadvantages of it. First, modern technology in everyday life. Owning a car, bicycle, playing computer games, using a digital camera, using email, text message, cheap flights. This was the last task. Our lesson is over. See you on my next lessons. Goodbye.